Hello plant friends, it's my video about my Hoya unboxing and hauling. It's kind of a mess. I already opened it and made video about it, but because the seller didn't give me any sign, any written about the name, the ID of Hoyas, then I have to find out by myself. I asked him and I write it down on a stick, wood stick like this, and I give it a name, the ID of these Hoyas. Okay, then I will show you this Hoya that I ordered it about 3 days ago. I ordered it from a local seller. It's really Central Kalimantan Hoyas. Then I ordered for the first Hoya is Hoya calistophylla. It's very beautiful pattern on the leaves. I love the foliage. It's really beautiful. It's shiny and it's like they have pattern on the surface of the leaves. I love the foliage, and the seller gave me beautiful Hoyas. I guess he's a recommended seller. I know him from Hoya's group in Facebook, and they said he's a recommended seller. So if you want to know him, give me a comment and I will let you know who is he. Okay, then this is Hoya calistophylla. I love the pattern of it, and it's shiny, it's coloring, it's big, it's very big leaves, see, and long. There's many kind of calistophylla I saw in the internet, but I think it's so beautiful. And next is Hoya lembii. It's broken, but I think it's come from out there. So, but I really love it. This Hoya lembii. You can see the bone and the leaves. I don't know, I'm not really sure it's splash or dirty. But anyway, he gave me a very fresh and healthy plants. It's already got the root, it's growing root, and it's a really lot of note. See, it's really bushy plants. It's lembii. I love it. Okay, after that I have this mitrata. It's mitrata. It's very unique Hoya because if it is dry, it will close like umbrella. But after he got water, and he will open up just a little bit, but it's open up. It's I ordered one mitrata, but the seller gave me free mitrata. One more free mitrata. Oh my god. Even though it's broken leaf, but I think it's okay. The leaves are so healthy. I think I broke one leaf when I opened the box. Yeah, it's okay. They already have a lot of leaves. Look at that. And the mitrata has root growing. Okay, after this, next one is hoyaforbesii. It almost looks like mix between Calistophylla and hoyamii. And it's my opinion. The leaves are so beautiful. Looks like Calistophylla a bit, but the pattern not really seen. On the surface, it's shiny and smooth leaves and thick. And the seller gave me a healthy plants and really green. I think the plant is so much beautiful. It's hoyascortechinii. I hope I'm not mistake to spell down. Okay. Next is hoyascortechinii. It's small, but small leaves. The foliage like this, really not really small, but small. And it's thick leaves. So you can see the splash on the surface of the leaves. I haven't seen the fruit yet, but open it, and we'll see if the root is growing or not yet. Yeah, it's already growing root. The root is already growing. I think it's also the healthy plant. And the last one is hoyasipitangensis. See, it's also beautiful leaves. It's hard and thick and healthy. It needs 3 days from the seller to me to arrive to my house, about 3 days. I think it's because that's the route of the journey of this package. Usually, if we drive by car from here to this village of the seller, about 3 hours by car. And the people in this village are taking care of Hoyas and other kind of orchids. I think it's the good place if you want to find some other kind of species plants. So come back, it's hoyasipitangensis, and he also gave me free hoyasipitangensis. Oh my god, I love this seller. These hoyasipitangensis are really healthy and already got some kind of new growing stem leaves. I will show you the new leaves. There, this one is really new leaves. Okay, that's all my purchasing Hoyas, my unboxing. I really satisfied of my purchase now, and I hope we can see on my next video. So keep healthy and happy, and see you on my next video. Bye.